So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Raguha Andrew, student in Gulu University, Uganda. So today we have come with Microsoft presentation, PowerPoint presentation. And what is Microsoft PowerPoint presentation? This is basically software that enables you to make presentations. It's normally used by people who have meetings, can have your meeting, and then you have some project you want to present to your people, or it's used also by businessmen to project their work, basically their achievements and everything, and their plans, their projects to handle and everything. So this PowerPoint presentation is also used by lecturers in teaching. They use it to project work. They make their notes in PowerPoint presentation and then present it in that form. So join me as I define the different terms in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So let's start by opening the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this is a blank. So number one is a slide. A slide is a single page or screen within a presentation. So what you see is what we call a slide. You can keep on adding different slides. There are different slides here on the home. Basically you tap the home, the toolbar, and then you get the different slides. You can add the different slides according to what you wish and what you want. So next is the slide master. Slide master is a feature used to control the layout and design of all slides in a presentation. Where do we get the slide master? For slide master, you come in view, and then you open slide master. Here it is. So this is slide master. You tap on it. Basically, slide master helps you to create work in an organized format. You can highlight what would be your title and make it something. You make changes. Highlight. You can change the font size according to the heading you want. You can say I want it at 40. You can change the text, the font of the text on different stages. This is how your work will appear basically on all slides. It gives an overview and the layout of your text within the presentation. You can use the slide master, or you can ignore it. It's optional to use, but you can as well create the PowerPoint without the master, using master slide. So next is what we call the layout. The layout is the arrangement of text or images on the slide. So you can try to add anything. You can add images, you can add pictures, you can arrange your text in a different way. That's what we call the layout. The theme is a set of colors, fonts, and effects which will help you make changes. For example, you can get all those through. You can insert. At home, you can change the font of the color, the font. For example, let me make something here and we see what we are talking about. This is the effect of slide master. As you see, you don't need to go back and then change because we set it in the master slide that all the title should be in that font type. You highlight and then you can make changes. Decide make it red. So that's basically a theme. You can change the font, you can change the design. For example, let's apply the design so that basically our work looks good. So this is what we call a design. You get it from, again, here you can get the different designs. You can find the colors you wish to, as you see, the font, effects, everything, you can get it. So next is the transition. Generally the visual effect applied when moving from one slide to the next. So let me try to create as much slides as possible so that I show you what we mean. You can add slides. So on transitions, they enable you to show how your slide will move from one slide to the next. That's what basically we mean as a transition. You can apply whatever you need for your work to look good. So the animation is basically applied, is a change, a movement of elements within a slide. For example, let me open this where I wrote some text. So animation, you highlight the text. A transition applies on the slide while an animation applies on text. So you can go after highlighting, everything works after highlighting. So after highlighting, you can choose the different, we have different things according to your text. You can add, highlight it, and then you apply an animation. An animation is applied onto the text while a transition is applied on the slide. So next is what we call a slideshow. After preparing your presentation very well, you need to make it flow. You make it flow until the presentation gets done. So this brings us to this, what we call a slideshow. You can start you can start your presentation from basically the slide you are on. You can present it from the slide you're on or from the current slide, as you can see, and present it online. You can customize it, everything. You can also make sure that limit the time interval on which your slides can appear. All that is done in the slideshow. So thank you for viewing my YouTube channel. Thank you for everything. I hope everything goes well. Continue subscribing, continue moving the video to all people. Thank you.